Hi, I'm Marcel with your Service One home maintenance tip.
Extending the life of your water heater. First, clean the area around your water heater. Vacuum the dust, hair, and lint that has gathered around the base of the water heater. Do this to prevent the screen from becoming clogged with debris, reducing airflow to the unit. Next, you'll want to remove the sediment and calcium deposits that form at the bottom of the unit. These deposits prevent proper heating, decrease efficiency, and cost you money. To remove the deposits, attach a hose to the boiler drain valve. Run the hose to your basement floor drain. Open the valve and let run for 1 or 2 minutes. Shut off the valve and remove the hose. Visually inspect the flue for blockage or rust. If the flue needs replaced, contact Service One and schedule an appointment. If you keep the flue clean, it will last longer. Lastly, check the temperature setting on your water heater. For optimal efficiency and to kill germs, it should be set at 120 degrees. It is not recommended that you increase the temperature setting above 120 degrees. It won't heat your water any faster, but it will cause the water to scald your skin. As always, a Service One expert is available by phone to walk you through these steps. Or we can set up a convenient appointment to assist you. Thank you for using Service One.
One simple solution, Service One.